All right, we're at some office location at Royal Lane in Dallas. I forgot what the address is, but look at this. We have a vintage Otis black button from the 1960s. But before we do, look at this to the right. Look at this. Look at this. See? This is what used to be an elevator, which is converted into a storage room. I'm sorry it's rather kind of dark in there. You can barely see a little bit. But this is just like the one I saw in Galveston, except it's got center opening. Look at this. An elevator that is converted into a storage room. All right, we're gonna close it up and we'll ride the other one. Looks like that one's being used. Let's listen to the motor, because you're gonna see what this elevator is. Listen, listen. It's an Otis hydraulic elevator from the 1960s. I've never seen this before. Look at this old ashtray. All right, let's call it. This is an Otis hydraulic elevator. Look at this thing right here. It wants to shut. Are you going up?
Yes, please.
I got the elevator for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Calm down. You're okay. Relax. You're okay.
She okay?
Yeah, she's fine.
Okay, yeah. I'm just into elevators. That's a big stop. Oh my gosh, this door open button is so slippery. All right, take care and have a good day.
You too, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, we're gonna try to listen to the motor go a full silent trip going up and back down. This is my very first time I've ever ridden an Otis black button that is a hydraulic. This is awesome. Sorry about the interruption in the first video. There was a person in the wheelchair lift. Watch this classic leveling. Wow, that was just incredible. Original Otis nameplate up there. All right, listen to this motor. Here we go. Camera just lost the focus. That was just pathetic. My camera just lost the focus. No floor indicator in here. There's your ADA phone. We'll do one more trip just to show that classic leveling on the top. Stops really hard. All right, let's go back down. We're gonna end there. Door's already, instant door closed. You've probably seen this video from Andrew and Alex. Here we're at 1. That door sounds epic. Watch it close up. Pause, you want to read that? All right, let's get out of here. There you go, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Thank you so much.
Yep, no problem.
The address of this building is 5934 Royal Lane. Man, that elevator was epic. Oh, I love that Otis hydraulic elevator. That was another one of my favorite elevators in the Dallas area, and that motor just sounds incredible too. All right, so with that being said, that's gonna be it.